This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
A text's main or central idea is what a text is mostly about. Figuring out the main idea of a text helps you understand the key point the author wants you, the reader, to remember. In this video, we'll learn how to determine the main or central idea of a passage. We'll start with this passage. What can we use to help ourselves figure out the main or central idea here? Let's begin with the title. Titles often give us clues about what a text will be about. The title here is The Rainbow Tree. It suggests that the passage will be about a very colorful tree. Now let's read the passage. In the rainforest, there exists a unique tree known as the rainbow eucalyptus tree. Its bark displays a striking array of colors, showing streaks of green, orange, red, and purple. Interestingly, this colorful display is entirely natural, as the tree sheds its outer bark to reveal a green inner layer. Over time, chemical changes within the bark cells produce the distinctive rainbow-like stripes observed on the tree's surface. Now let's think about the important details in the text. So the paragraph starts out by telling us the tree's name and where it is found. Then, in the rest of the passage, we learn that the tree's colorful pattern comes from a natural process, with chemical changes that happen over time. Based on these details, what is the most important idea that the author wants us to take away from this passage? The author wants us to know that the rainbow eucalyptus tree gets its colorful pattern through natural changes that happen over time. Nice work! Let's try another. This passage is titled No Place Like Home. Let's read it. The North Pole is found in the middle of the Arctic Ocean. The ice that covers the water moves around, making it impossible to build a home. The Inuit people have never settled there, and neither have polar bears or other land animals. On the other hand, the South Pole is found on the continent of Antarctica. While it is one of the coldest places on Earth, about 200 people live and work at a research station there. Conditions are still harsh, but having solid land makes it possible to inhabit the South Pole. The title here is No Place Like Home. That suggests the passage might be about places where people live. Did this passage talk about places where people could live? Yes! First, it talked about the North Pole and described it as a place where it's impossible to build a home. Then it talked about the South Pole and mentioned that people do live and work there. So what makes the South Pole a better place for people to live and work? The text tells us the answer. The South Pole has solid land. So the main idea the author wants us to take away from this passage is that people live on the South Pole but not the North Pole because the South Pole has solid land. Well done! Remember, when determining the main idea of a passage, a good first step is to look at the title, if there is one, for a clue about what the passage will be about. Then review the passage's details, and finally ask yourself, what is the most important idea that the author wants me to know about this topic?
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.